Hi, I'm Ron Edelstein. Next semester, I will be teaching energy and climate change. Can the world act in time? In time for what, you might ask? Well, in time to keep global temperatures from increasing more than 1.5 degrees centigrade from pre industrial times. We'll focus specifically on what is happening with the world oil, natural gas, and coal markets as a result of the Russian invasion of the Ukraine and how that is coming in conflict instead of helping deal with climate change uh, and how the push to reduce gasoline prices in particular is inducing governments to move forward with more drilling, exploration, and production for natural gas and oil in particular. So we're going to look at the basics of climate change and why we think it is, we're almost positive it is man-made. We will then start looking at individual nations. US, we will look at the role of corporations, because after all, who produces these CO2 and greenhouse gas emissions? It's the corporations of the world, not so much the governments. And then we will look at the US, we will look at Europe, principally the EU and the UK, and their role in as major industrialized nations in moving forward with renewables, but also dealing with their dependence on Russian oil, natural gas, and coal. We'll look at Russia specifically as a producing nation, India, we'll look at China, and we'll look at the role of China in dominating the renewables market. And we'll look at Japan, another major industrialized nation. We go to the Middle East and North Africa, their role in energy production and greenhouse gas emissions. And then finally, we will look at the developing world and look at South Asia, Africa, Latin America, the Caribbean, and we will look at how those nations are dealing with climate change, including climate refugees, and their role in housing a lot of the carbon sinks of the world, including the tropical rainforest, the mangrove swamps, and et cetera. So, and the final lesson, we will run the En-ROADS model. I'll run the model, and you, as energy czars, will get to choose the path the world will take. So please join me in this course. This is a world focus, but we will attempt to look at the current issues and what might be done. And will the world have the political will? Will nations have the political will to deal with this? Thank you.